Myself Ms. Tejasri Kosbe, lecturer from Praveen Patil Polytechnic, Bandar. My subject is utilization of electrical energy. Practical number 5, learning outcomes. At the end of this video, you will learn about practical number 5, which is observe construction and working of various heating furnaces by watching video programs. So first is practical significance. A diploma electrical engineer may sometimes require to work in industry where there are electrical heating furnaces. So he should preferably have the knowledge of construction and working of these furnaces. Second, relevant program outcomes, that is POs. So PO4 is engineering tools, applied relevant electrical technologies and tools with the understanding of the limitations. PO5 is the engineer and society, assess societal health, safety, legal and cultural issues and the consequent responsibilities relevant to practice in the field of electrical engineering. PO6 is environment and sustainability. Apply electrical engineering solutions also for sustainable development practices in societal and environmental content. PO7 is ethics. Apply ethical principles for commitment to professional ethics, responsibilities and norms of the practice also in the field of electrical engineering. PO8 is individual and teamwork. Function effectively as a leader and team member in diverse or multidisciplinary teams. Third one is competency and skills. This practical is expected to develop the following skills for the industry identified competency: maintain different types of electrical utilities and systems, identify the type of heating furnace, identify different components of heating furnace, know the function of above components and follow safe practices. Fourth is relevant course outcomes, which is maintain different electric heating and welding equipment. Next is practical learning outcomes, which is identify different types of furnace and its components. Next is minimum theoretical background. Two types of air heating furnaces, which are direct air heating furnace and indirect air heating furnace. Two types of induction heating furnaces, which are core type induction heating furnace and coreless induction heating furnace. So practical setup for these practicals are suggested videos. They have given some video links in your manual and you have to watch these videos. Practical resources. So for this practical you have to require, first is a desktop or laptop with internet connection or standard reference books, and specification, any suitable desktop or laptop with convenient monitor. Next is precautions to be followed. First is all videos should be viewed from authentic sources, that is secured sources. And procedure for this practicals is first is switch on the computer, second confirm access to internet is available, third is browse the search engine, say Google or YouTube. Fourth, type above mentioned site address for videos in search column and press enter. Fifth, watch the videos carefully, and sixth one is draw label diagram of any three types of furnace. So in this practical you have to watch some videos and then you have to write diagram of three types of furnaces. So in this practical you have to write the observation as follows, like name of the furnace. So first resistance furnace and specification is power, which is 10 to 6000 kilowatt, hot zone length which is 50 to 600 meter or customized, and you have to draw this diagram of a resistance furnace, and you have to write applications, which are drawing and hardening of steel, heat treatment of aluminum and light metals. Next is you have to write another name of furnace, which is you can write as Ajax watt furnace, and as specification of this furnace are the standard size from 60 to 300 kilowatt, and supply single phase 501 hertz for standard up to 600 volt. And next you have to draw the diagram of Ajax watt furnace in your manual and write down applications, which are these furnaces are widely used for melting and refining conducting materials such as brass, aluminum and other heavy non-ferrous metals. Next is electric arc furnace. Specification is 10 to 30 ton. Graphite electrode having length 300 to 400 mm. And next you have to draw the diagram of electric arc furnace in your manual. And application as this electric arc is used for melting the metal. The arc furnaces are used to produce mini steel structural bars and steel rods. And next we have to write down result and conclusion for this practical. Thank you.